Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into why tummy time is crucial for your baby's motor development. Tummy time refers to the practice of placing your baby on their stomach while they're awake and supervised. It's a simple yet powerful activity with numerous benefits. Firstly, tummy time strengthens your baby's neck, shoulders, and arm muscles. These muscles are essential for developing the skills to sit up, crawl, and eventually walk. Babies who engage in regular tummy time often hit these milestones earlier because their muscles are more developed. Secondly, it helps to prevent flat spots from forming on the back of your baby's head. By regularly practicing tummy time, you'll naturally encourage a well-rounded head shape. Finally, tummy time acts as a building block for sensory and visual development. As your baby lifts their head, they begin to explore the world from a different vantage point, enhancing their ability to focus and follow movements. In conclusion, incorporating tummy time into your baby's daily routine can significantly enhance motor skills and overall development. Remember to keep it fun and gradually increase the duration as your baby grows stronger. For more information, continue following our series on child development milestones. Thank you for joining us today.